Hi, you watching this video, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessed George and I'm a creative video editor, photo editor and videographer and photographer based in Abuja, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to whiten the eyes, whiten the eyes. So in cases where you have like pictures and you have a bit of red eyes or not so white eyes and you want to make it like white, so you can follow my page on Instagram at logshottit, LOG together, and on TikTok at logshottit. So this is a raw image that has not been retouched, and it's actually an image of myself. So let's get to it. So I'm going to zoom into the eyes so we'll see before and after. So I'm just going to leave the blemishes. The picture is as rough as it can be right now, but we are going to just work on the eyes because that is the business of this video. So first thing you want to do is come down to the layer area, and let me take this up so we can have more view of it. And then you make 2 copies of the background layer. So I'm just going to Ctrl J. That's the first copy, and then have a second copy of that layer. Then for the copy below, you're going to desaturate it. Is either using Ctrl U, or you come up here and go to adjustment. You see either you make it black and white, or I choose to always use the desaturation. Like the saturation, I'll bring it down, or you make it black and white. So next thing is I'll turn this off just to see the black and white because this one was on top of it, so we couldn't really see down. So this is how it looks. Now let me turn back the visibility. So next thing I want to do is to mask this layer. So we're going to apply the layer mask to this layer. We'll come down here and click on the layer mask. So while the layer mask is white, you're going to be using a black brush, like the brush tool, and the foreground color is going to be black because you're using white. So the thing with layer mask is they work opposite colors for them to have effect. So while it's white here, I'll be using black. Then if it's white here, here would have to be black. So but it's white, so I'll be using a black brush, black colored brush. So what layer mask does is it helps you to make changes to the main picture, which is this, without affecting the main picture. In other words, I'm about to erase this part of the eyes so that the one below can be visible. I'm about to erase this area so that the black and white can be visible, and I can do that on the layer mask rather than doing that on the image directly, so I can still retain the image. So anytime I don't feel like using the mask, I can always disable layer mask. I hope that makes sense. So in case of any confusion, you can drop in the comment section. I can always come back to read it and reply to your messages. So I'm just going to brush now the area using the black brush, and then as I'm doing this, you can see what it's doing. You can reduce the opacity of the brush if you feel like, oh wow, these eyes are too white. So I'm just going to undo that, and from 100 I'm going to reduce to maybe 61, and still do the same, not as high as that other, so you can be more precise in doing yours. So I'm just trying not to make this video too long, and so I'm also trying to be comprehensive. So yes, this is how you whiten the eye. So when you're done, you're going to merge. So when you're done, you're just going to merge both layers. So now we have the white eyes, and now we have how it used to be before. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, I need you to subscribe because I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos on different tricks on Photoshop, as well as CapCut, editing with CapCut, editing with Premiere Pro, and editing with Photoshop. So I'm going to be sharing those tips. So please subscribe to my channel and also share to your friends who may need to know some of these tricks. All right, till next time, have a lovely day. Bye.